fourth grade math friends. We have already learned so much in this chapter about division. We've learned how to interpret a remainder and how we can use place value and basic facts when our dividend in our problem ends in a zero. But our dividend is not always going to end in a zero like this problem here. And so our first step to tackling that problem is to estimate our quotient using compatible numbers. Compatible numbers doesn't mean that you're estimating or that you're rounding. Compatible numbers are numbers that work really well together so that you can use mental math in order to solve a problem. Let's try that out with this example. A horse's heart beats 132 times in 3 minutes. About how many times does it beat in 1 minute? Because our question has the word about in it, I know that the quotient that I'm going to find is going to be an estimated quotient. The problem that this story explains to us is 132 divided by 3 equals some number of beats per minute. Beats in 1 minute. Now, I need to pause and think about finding some numbers that are close to 132 that divide easily by 3. In order to do that, I'm going to be using some of my basic facts. The basic facts that I can think of that would help me in this situation would be 12 divided by 3, which is 4, or maybe 15 divided by 3, which is 5. I need to decide which one of these basic facts would be more useful to me in this situation. I know that I could use the basic fact of 12 divided by 3, and I could change that to 120 divided by 3. And for my basic fact of 15 divided by 3, I could use my place value strategy to think of that as to change that to 150 divided by 3. I want to use whichever number is closer to 132, and in this case, that would be 120 divided by 3. So what I'm going to do then is I'm going to use that place value strategy to think of 120 as 12 tens. I'll do 12 tens divided by 3, which I know is 4 tens. Another way that I can write 4 tens is 40. So the answer to this problem, I could say that a horse's heart beats about 40 times per minute. Now try 252 divided by 3. You're going to find the two basic facts that are close to 252 that are divisible by 3, and you're going to find your estimated quotient for both of those basic facts as well.